first, we want to go ahead and open Visual Studio Code. If you guys need help installing this and getting it set up, I'll leave a link up top and down below where I show you guys just how to do that. Once I get it open, I'm going to close out of all of this information. And from here, what I want to do is make sure that my File Explorer on the left side is open. And here I can go ahead and click Open Folder and open the folder where I want to create this quiz. Once I have this open, I can go ahead and close out of this welcome page, get rid of all these errors down in the bottom right corner, right click in my File Explorer, click New File, and create my index.html. Once I create this, I can go ahead and type in an exclamation mark and go ahead and hit enter, and that will generate our boilerplate for today. And for our title, which is going to be located in your web browser tab, we're going to go ahead and call this Online Quiz. And then from here, what we need to do is go ahead and go back to our File Explorer, create a new folder, call this Styles. Inside of this Styles folder, create a new file, and we'll call this styles.css. And then back in our index.html page, we need to link to this style page using a link element. And you guys are going to notice that Visual Studio Code generates our rel equal to style sheet and our href, where we can go ahead and link to our styles.css file. And you guys will see it uses this pathway here to go into a new folder and select this file. Next, since we're going to be using JavaScript today, I'm going to create a new folder. Go ahead and call this scripts. And inside of this folder, I'm going to create a scripts.js file. And back in the index.html, what I want to do is create a script element and go ahead and link using src to our new JavaScript file that we just created. So we'll do the same thing like we just did for our CSS file. Navigate to our scripts folder and to our scripts.js file. And to make sure that this works, we also need to include the defer attribute here. Now that I have the file structure set up for this online quiz, what I need to do is open my live server by clicking Go Live down here in the bottom right corner. If you guys need help getting this set up, I'll leave a link up top and down below where I show you guys how to do it. But now you guys are going to see that it opens up the live server here, and all you can see right now is the title of online quiz, because we haven't actually created any HTML content yet. So what I'm going to do is move this over to the right side of the page and open my Visual Studio Code editor on the left side of the page. Now that I have this set up, I can go within my body element and create a div element. Tap here to see what happens next.